In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit company details in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely update your organization's information without breaking anything or getting lost in the settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account using your usual login page. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the main CRM interface, usually showing modules like leads, contacts, accounts, or deals along the top or left side. It doesn't matter which module you're currently in. What we care about is the settings area. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the setup or gear icon. This is your entry point to all the back-end configuration options. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, Zoho will open the setup page, which groups settings into different categories like customization, automation, and general settings. On this setup page, you'll want to look for an option labeled Company Settings. This is where all the core information about your organization in Zoho CRM is stored, including your company name, address, and other basic details. Click on Company Settings to open the Company Details page. Once you're in Company Settings, you'll see your current company information displayed. Next to your company name, there should be a small pen icon, sometimes called the Edit icon. This icon indicates that the field can be changed. Click on that pen or edit icon to start making changes to your company details. After you click the edit icon, Zoho will allow you to modify the fields on the screen. Here, carefully fill in or update the relevant details. This might include your company name, address, website phone number, or other basic organization information, depending on your account configuration. Take a moment to double check each field you edit, making sure spelling, numbers, and formatting are correct, especially for things like addresses and contact information. As you work through these fields, follow any on-screen prompts Zoho provides. For example, if a field is required, Zoho may highlight it or show a small message if you try to leave it blank. If there are drop-down options, choose the one that best matches your company's details. When you're satisfied with all the changes, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom or top of the form and click it to confirm your updates. That's it. You've successfully edited your company details in Zoho CRM.